Chuki! Here is the special treatment. That's for everyone, okay? How blessed we are. Good morning. Welcome to Maria Lassen Channel. Today's video ay mag-harvest po ako ng eggs. Yes po, kahapon lang po dumating yung mga manok namin. And we've been told from the farmer, baka hindi agad mangitlog ang manok namin dahil daw po sa stress or sa new environment, mag-adjust pa daw po yung mga manok. Kahapon, napansin po talaga namin pagdating ng manok sa bagong bahay po nila na ginawa namin ni Dave, napansin po talaga namin na feel at home agad po yung manok. Hindi po namin nakita na stress yung manok dahil nakita nyo naman po ang ginawa naming bahay ng manok ay malaki po yung space. Yun po talaga ang purpose po namin para feel freedom po yung mga manok. And believe me or not, kahapon po nangitlog sila kaagad ng dalawa. Good sign po yun dahil sabi ng farmer baka hindi po ito mangitlog. Good sign po yun na masaya po yung manok na binili po namin, hindi po sila stress. Ang gagawin ko po na video na ito, within 7 days, mag-collect po kami ng eggs. Let's say po kung ilang eggs ang ma-harvest namin within 1 week. Start today. Counting po tayo, first day of harvesting eggs. Ito pala kahapon yung dalawang itlog po nila. And let's see the chooks today, how many eggs we can collect this morning. Kumakain sila. At mapansin nyo po, bagong pintura na po ang door na ginawa ko po. Ang ganda po ng kulay. And also, yung bahay ng manok, makikita nyo po ay kulay green na po. Maganda po ito na pintura na ginamit namin. Ang dali lang po talaga. And quick dry, madali lang po talaga matuyo. And as in, nakaka-proud po na isipin na ganito po kaganda. DIY project lang namin yan ni David. Masaya po talaga ang mga manok namin dahil ang laki ng space. Hello! Super friendly po ng mga manok na ito. They're very nice, very gentle chooks. Ganyan po yung ginagawa nila pag pumapasok kami sa door. Hello! Just to say hi. I'm here to collect your eggs. Hello! Good morning! Hello! Ganyan po sila ka-friendly. May mga nagsasabi medyo mataas lang daw po itong ginamit namin inuman ng tubig nila. I think it's alright. Nilabas na po namin. Ganyan po sila. Ito yung ginagawa nila. Scratching lang sila. Originally, nandito po talaga yan, yung box na yan. Parang siguro before, they used to have a rabbit. And ginawa ko po siyang itlogan ng manok. I think, nakikita ko na po, may itlog po dyan. And normally, dito po talaga sila nangingitlog. Wow! Yung isa, nagre-resting. Meron na po tayong agad 4 eggs. Wow! Kahapon, 2. Ito po ang kulay ng eggs nila. Ganito po siya kalaki. 4 po agad yung itlog. Dito po talaga sila naglilay eggs. Kaya perfect itong binili ni Dave. Parang gustong-gusto nila dito mangingitlog. Guys, ganito po kasaya mag-alaga ng manok dahil bibigyan po talaga kayo nila ng very fresh egg. And kolektahin na po natin yung mga eggs nila. Meron na po kaming 2 kahapon. Madagdagan na po. Makaipon po tayo ng itlog within a week. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang saya ko po. Meron na po kami agad 6 na itlog. Punta po tayo sa kabila. I believe may nangitlog po dyan sa box natin. Ayan yung ginagawa nila. Kain lang talaga ng kain, unlimited. Hindi po nila kailangan ng roaster. May mga nagsasabi, you guys need a roaster para mangitlog po sila. Ito po yung itlog nila. Hindi po kailangan ng roaster. Pagkain lang po talaga ang ipapakain mo sa kanila para mangitlog. Yung isa, nagche-check na baka mangitlog na naman. Tingnan po natin dito sa kabilang box kung ilang eggs. Yung mga manok namin guys, hindi talaga sila takot sa amin. Parang yung feeling kilala na nila kami for a long time. Hindi sila natatakot, even I'm next to them. Tingnan po natin. Wow! 1 eggs! So, for today's collecting eggs is 5. Kahapon ay 2. Slowly parang nag-upgrade. Bukas guys, collect na naman po tayo. Tingnan po natin kung ilang eggs ang makollect po natin. And marami po sa amin nag-suggest that we should have a roaster para mangitlog po sila, magkaroon po ng maraming baby po ang manok namin. Dahil nandito po kami sa Australia, syempre sa Pilipinas, ibang-iba. Kahit ilang roster pa yan, tapos maingay early in the morning, walang magreklamo sa inyo. Dito sa Australia ay hindi nyo po yan magawa. Lalong-lalo na pag nandiyan kayo sa city. Although nandito po kami sa countryside, we still not consider na magkaroon po ng roster dahil may mga kapitbahay pa rin po kami. And then, sometimes, yung kapitbahay, they have a right na magreklamo po sa inyo to remove your roster dahil nakadisturbo po sa kanilang tulog early in the morning. Maingay po yung roster. And si Dave, ayaw niya rin po eh. So I can't blame him. Australian siya. Ako, sanay na sanay sa maraming roster sa amin bahay. Doon po sa Siargao. Second day of harvesting eggs. Meron na po tayo 7 eggs dito. Tingnan po natin. Mas marami pang makulik natin today kumpara yesterday. The same as usual. Very calm chooks. Parang nag-meeting-meeting sila doon. Iba-ibang team group po ito. Pasok po tayo. Hello! You wanna count your eggs? Not sure if that's all your eggs. Yeah. Tingin siya. Super curious siya. Okay, let's check. Another check na naman po yung amo niyo. Oh! Ay! Hey! Sinong nangitlog dito? Ba't hindi kayo doon nangitlog? May isa agad dito. Isa. Oh, 3 dito, 3. 2. 3. Apat. Padami ng padami na ang eggs natin sa basket. Punta tayo sa kabila. Ay, may 2. 2 eggs. Sa 2. Oh, so 3, 4. Ay, 6. 6 na eggs ang na-harvest natin today. 7 kahapon, 6 ngayon. So, nag-add ng another 6 eggs. Let's say hi to our chooks. Hello, Chookie! Anong marites natin ngayon? Ibang-ibang team kayo dito, ha? Hello guys, this is our 3rd day harvesting and of course, Sylvester with us. Are you excited to collecting eggs?
Yes.
The 1st and 2nd day harvesting, Sylvester was not there dahil he was at school. And now finally, Sylvester will join us to harvesting eggs. What do you think, Sylvester? How many eggs we can collect today? How many? Can you guess?
10.
10 eggs? Is that because we have 10 chooks?
Yeah.
Let's find out.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to collect eggs.
Super excited. Ang puging bata ito. Okay, let's find out. Let's see how many eggs we can collect because Sylvester is very excited. Oh, say hi to the chook chook. Say good morning. Nagdala po ako ng scrap po. Normally, early in the morning, dinadala po ito ni Dave para po sa mga manok. Ngayon, ako na po yung nagdala. Gustong-gusto po nila yung mga pagkain na tira-tira. Dati, sayang na sayang po talaga ako dahil tinatapon namin to sa basurahan. Ngayon ay hindi na po talaga namin matatapon dahil yung manok na po ang kumakain. Come here, chuk chuk! Ah, there we go. Hindi pa nila nakita.
They're going so crazy.
Ha?
They're going so crazy eating it.
I know, they love it.
Yeah.
Ganyan sila ka-excited. Pag may mga tirang-tirang pag... No fighting! That's for everyone, isn't it, Sylvester?
Yeah.
That's for everyone.
Yeah, they're stepping on it.
Gustong-gusto nila yung beetroot. Ah, yung rice. They love rice, honey. It must be Filipino chooks. Manang-mana sa may-ari.
Must
Asian.
be Australia chooks. No Italian scratching like this.
They love scratching?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now, it's time for harvesting eggs!
Yay!
Yay! I can see 3 eggs! Wow, go get it! Oh, one in a time. You don't want to crack. Eggs is very precious. They're very easy to crack. 3 eggs po ang na-harvest ni Sylvester dito po sa labas. Let's go inside, Sylvester.
Wait.
Come on. Oh, I can see so many eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Yeah, very good. 2. Oh, there's a feathers.
Yeah.
Oh, hindi natanggal. Okay. 5 eggs here, 3 eggs outside. How many? 5 plus 3? Okay, 5 eggs plus 3. Show me. 5 plus 3. How many eggs we collect today?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many?
8 eggs!
8 eggs! Yeah!
We got eggs! We got eggs! We got eggs!
3 days harvesting eggs so far. Yung maliit na basket, baka papalitan na natin within 7 days. Alam nyo guys, hindi po namin nakakain pa po yung mga fresh eggs. Dahil po, before po kami bumili ng manok, we normally stock up with lots of eggs. Yan po ang ginagawa ni Dave. Kaya hindi po namin ito makakain pa. Kailangan po muna namin ubusin yung eggs na binili po namin from the supermarket. Hindi pa po namin ito natikman and we don't know kung egg yolk nila ay super dark yellow. They've been trying to feed them lots of vegetable early in the morning. Before I wake up, tapos na po binigyan ni Dave ng mga scrap ng pagkain. Ito talaga yung pagkain nila, independent po. Nag-i-stock up po ito ng pagkain si Dave. I think normally it might last for 4 days or 5 days pag puno po ito. Kaya hindi talaga kami masyadong worried na magugutom sila kasi may pagkain naman talaga dito. Yung mga scrap ay nakakatulong po yan para mas more healthy po yung eggs nila. Gonna collect eggs again tomorrow. Seyo! Mapupuno na po yung basket namin bukas. Our 4th day harvesting eggs. David is here. May dinala siyang pagkain para sa mga baby niya. They really love the chooks so much. And ganyan na sila. Alam na po nila. Nandito na kami. Papasok na kami. Mag-collect ng egg. Yan po ang treatment po nila. Salad. What a happy chooks. It's so funny how they eat. Sila, ayan. Ay, yung isa tatakbo, tapos kakain. Kakain siya na nakatalikod. Yung parang nakaw-nakaw ba yung style nila. Sarap ng pagkain nila. I think they give them a lettuce. Can you hear the sound? Mag-collect na po si David. I think baka mapuno na itong basket namin. How many eggs, honey?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh! First time ni Dave mag-collect ng eggs kasi normally kami ni Sylvester. And Sylvester's not here. Yesterday, nandito siya. Ngayon, nasa school na naman po si Sylvester. Wow! Padami ng eggs. There's another one more there, honey.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yay! 4th day, ganyan na po karami. Hindi pa po napuno. And anyway, ginawan ko pala sila ito, yung for perching. Para in the night time, makikita nyo ang daming dumi nila dyan. Diyan po sila natutulog every night. And pininturahan ko po ito. Han! Han! There's 3 eggs here!
Really?
Have a look!
Oh, they made another nest.
Gumawa sila ng sariling nest dito. I wonder why.
It's very dark in here. Maybe they like it in the dark.
Yeah. 8 eggs. Another 8 eggs. After 4 days of collecting eggs, ganyan na po karami. And I believe tomorrow, 5 days po siya. For sure, mapupuno na po yung basket namin. What do you think of our eggs, honey? Are you happy?
Yeah, we're getting plenty of it.
Iba-iba yung kulay. Have you noticed this one? It's different color. Hey! Why are you fighting? Why are you guys fighting over the food? That's not good. Ito, bully yan. Bully yan. I think there's always a bully. Is it, honey?
Yeah, there's always a boss too.
There's always a boss chok para meron dyan in order, may mataas, may palaging nabubuli. Kaya may mas maliit dito, siya palagi ang nabubuli. Minsan pinapagalitan ko yung nang bubuli, yung malalaki. Yan ang pinakamaliit, siya palagi ang nabubuli. At ang mapansin mo sa mga manok namin ay hindi po talaga sila maingay, as in na hindi ka mag-worried baka maingayan po ang kapitbahay. At dito po sa bahay ng manok namin, wala po talaga kayong maamoy na baka mabaho. Yung dumi nila, although 10 sila, wala kayong maamoy dito na baka aabot doon sa bahay. Malinis po yung nila dito, tsaka malaki. Honey! Hi! Kinakain nyo talaga. Sige, ubusin nyo. Ubusin nyo na lang. Para malinis na yung plato namin, hindi na namin huhugasan. After 5 days. Merong 6 na itlog dito. At least hindi na sila nangingitlog dito sa ground. Yay! Ganyan kadaming itlog ang na-harvest po namin. Mabigat po siya. I'm not sure kung how many eggs already. I lost my count. Pero, grabe, hindi ako makapaniwala na ganito pala ang feelings na magkaroon po kayo ng manukan. Ay yung balik po talaga sa inyo ay makalibre po talaga kayo ng very fresh egg. Yung feeling ko po talaga, success po ang paggawa po namin ng bahay ng manukan dahil tingnan nyo po yung balik po talaga sa amin. Ang daming eggs. First time po namin nagkaroon ng manok. And another 2 days, I believe makakount na po natin kung ilang eggs ang mabibigay po sa amin ang mga manok po namin. I'm so excited to find out. Kayo din po ba? Hello guys! This is our 7-day harvesting eggs! Happy Saturday! That's why Sylvester's here! Wala pong pasok! Kahapon po, nag-harvest po ako ng eggs. Hindi po ako nag-video para mas more exciting at makita nyo po kung gaano na po kadami ang nakulik naming eggs within 7 days today. It's pang 7 days na, kaya i-collect po natin ang pang-last harvesting eggs natin for 7 days ang goals ni Maria Lassen. Tara! Come on, Sylvester! Let's go! Yung eggs po dito ay wala na dahil puno na po. Nilagay ko po siya sa isang basket. After po tayo mag-harvest dito, lalagay ko po sila lahat together at makita nyo po kung gaano kadami na po ang eggs natin after 7 days. Let's collect the eggs! Hello! Chuk chuk! What a beautiful day! Sylvester! Wow! 7 eggs! 7 eggs is waiting for Sylvester. You get 7 eggs? Yay! Yung pang-last natin is 7 eggs. Goals po natin. Sylvester, you're very tall now. Bakit pa dito ka nanakit? I know. My God, you're now a big boy. Guys, ito po yung pang-last goals po natin. 7 eggs ang na-harvest po natin. Ilalagay ko na po ito sa basket para ipakita po sa inyo kung ilang eggs at gaano kadami ang eggs po na nakuha namin after 7 days. Hello, Chuki Chukis! Thank you for the egg! Guys, ito na pala yung nakulik naming eggs after 6 days. Yes, ganyan po siya karami. Plus, magdagdag pa po tayo ng another 7 eggs after 7 days. Tingnan po natin kung gaano kadami. Come, Sylvester. Okay, ito na po after 7 days. Collecting eggs. Ang dami. Wow! Grabe! Grabe how blessed we are na ganito karami ang eggs na collect namin after 7 days. Another 1 week, another 1 basket. Ang dami!
Hey, Mommy, how many eggs?
How many eggs? We're just about to count. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5, 6,
7,
8, 9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19,
20,
20, 21,
22,
23,
24,
and then 25, 26,
37,
27,
28,
yeah, and 29, 30.
30,
30. What next to 30? Go.
31,
Yeah, and 32,
32,
33.
33,
What next to 33?
34,
And then this is 35, 36,
37,
37, 38, 39,
40,
40, and 41, 42,
43,
43, 44, 45. Okay, what next to 45? 46. Okay, you. 47.
48.
Yay! We collect 48 eggs within 7 days.
I think that's a lot of eggs.
I know, that's a lot of eggs. 48 eggs. Unbelievable how many eggs we got already. Grabe yung balik sa amin ng mga manok namin. Yung pagod namin ni Deb at Power. They bring eggs at hindi na talaga kami bibili sa supermarket. Kasi may libreng eggs na po kami. Sebastian, bring that inside. And we will give our chooks special treatment for giving us 48 eggs within a week. So, Chook, you gotta wait. I got a special treatment to you guys. Come on, Sebastian. Let's bring this one inside. Let's bring this one inside. We got 48 eggs.
Yay.
So, which means within 2 weeks, we should have 96. That's crazy, honey. That's a lot of eggs. Come on, honey. Come on, Sebastian. Yeah, come here. Oh, is it really heavy? There's all our eggs. And ito po yung special treatment ko po sa manok po namin. Balik ko po sa kanila bilang pasasalamat na binigyan po kami ng 48 eggs within a week na inipon ko lang po talaga. Hindi ko po talaga niloto from day 1 to day 7. Hindi po kami nagloto ng eggs. Inipon lang. And syempre, special treatment for our chook para mag-dark yellow po talaga ang eggs nila. We got kale, Chinese cabbage, lettuce. Hindi po to everyday guys ha. Ngayon lang. Tara! Sylvester, come here. Alright, I'm gonna feed the chooks. I bet they will be so excited. Look, Chooky! Look, do you like this one? I'm sure. Tingnan niyo kung gaano sila ka-excited. Ikakat ko lang po ito ng maliliit kasi mas prefer ng manok na maliliit po yung kinakain nila. Tingnan niyo kung gaano sila ka-excited. Hindi po nila kinakain yung steam. Diba? Parang pinapa-excited. Parang lilipad na po sila. Hoy! Lumabas yung ulo! Honey! Wait! You gotta wait! You gotta wait! Hi! Wait. You gotta wait. It's all for you guys. Don't worry. Hey, Chooky! Here is the special treatment. That's for everyone, okay? Go! Wow! So, di ba? Ganyan ako magpasalamat. You guys deserve it for giving us so much egg. Doon lang ang pasasalamat to each other. Masayang manok, masaya din yung amo. Kasi binibigyan kami nila ng eggs. Tingnan niyo ang sarap ng pagkain nila. That's very healthy.
They like lettuce.
I know, of course.
And the vegetables.
Yeah, I think their favorite is, I notice, they really love the Chinese cabbage and also the lettuce and also the kale. Oh, kinakain nila. And that's all for today's video, guys. After 7 days, we collect 48 eggs and we are very happy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Bye! Oh, you like it, Sylvester?